Welcome to 10 Spotting. Here we're going to learn how to create a list. Click on the Create a List button and you'll come to the Create a List page. The first step is to give that list a title. Here we're going to make a list called the Top 10 Inventions of All Time because those are pretty important. Of course, it's up to you to make whatever list you like. Next, let's add some tags or keywords. These are words which will help other people find your list later. They should be words people might search for in order to find this particular list. Here we type in OAT and of all time, both of which will help people search for these type of lists, as well as a number of other words related to inventions. Next, you need to populate the list with items. In the upper right corner, type your item name in the top part. Here we've typed the internet, a pretty important invention to most people, including myself. Right now, every time you type in an item, that will grab the web address for you from Google. You can change it later if you like. Click the Add Entry button to send that item to the 10 Spotting worksheet. Items are now clickable and draggable to whatever position you want to put them in. As you fill up the sheet with items, you'll see them taking on different numbers. This is where they'll rank in your list if you save them in that final position. It's up to you how long you want to spend on making your list. Some people like to make sure that they've got everything they need right away, while others want to save the list and work on it later. The great thing about 10 Spotting is that this list is entirely editable at any time. You can go in, tweak it, move stuff around, or delete it entirely. So don't worry about having to be perfect on the first go around. Okay, once you've got 10 items, it's time to make sure that they're in the right order. It's easy to drag and drop the items and put them in the right place in the list. Simply click on an item, move it up or down, and it will adjust itself on the list in place. If you want to add an item, if you want to add a new item, drop an item into the trash. Television is not the most exciting item, so we're going to drop it into the trash and add something to replace it. The birth control pill. Finally, items are also editable as well, and it's a good idea to make sure the items say what you want, and if you care, to link to the right place. If this list might be a reference list for other people, then it's helpful to have a correct web address for the item. If you click on and edit an item, you can easily change the details like spelling of the web address and save it again. Finally, you click on Save List Finished. Now the Top 10 Inventions list will be saved and will be live on the 10 Spotting site for other people to edit. You can also share the list by grabbing the code at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for coming to 10spotting.com.